Hello everyone, Dan Mowinski here, Certified AI Consultant and Fractional Chief AI Officer. Today we are going to start our journey into Claude. So I used Claude a long time ago when it first came out or when I first got into AI, but recently I've been using ChatGPT, but I'm going to start to learn a lot more about Claude and the awesome things that it can do, and I'm going to be documenting my journey right here along with you for me to follow. With me to follow. All right, so let's get into it. So you are looking at right now the new trials and classes that Anthropic is putting on. So this is something that I'm doing as part of a group with a bunch of different people. So I'm excited to get going on this and figure out what we can learn here. So I did start a class, so let's get into it. All right, so the class that we currently are using, and let's see here if we can find it, Claude Code. This is the one. There we go. All right, so this is the first class that I started. You can see I'm 19% of the way in. Now I did just watch the videos, so videos are set. We're not gonna sit you through those. You can go there and do this yourself. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually do the Claude Code setup. So when we go to the setup, now here's the install Claude Code after the instructions. All right, so I did take a look at this and I figured out that I am not a developer. So I'm gonna need some help with this. So here, full direction setup. So you click that and then that brings you here. So let's walk through this together. Let's get Claude on this. All right, so let's see here. To install Claude, here we go, terminal guide, Mac OS Windows. So here you go. So I'm on a Mac. Command space, terminal. Let's open up the terminal here. All right, there it is. Okay. To open the spotlighted terminal, open your terminal app, install Claude Code. Copy this line, paste it into the terminal. Okay, just do the copy button, drop it in here, throw it in, and go. All right. Yep, I see a bunch of stuff happening up there, so let's read on. This downloads and runs Claude Code installer from Claude AI. You'll see text scrolling as it works. When this is done, you'll see Claude Code installed. If you see an error, check the troubleshooting section. All right. Type Claude and press enter, I guess, when it's ready. All right, yep, it says install complete. Let's just do Claude. So let's install it. Command not found. we just started. Oh, this is great. Okay, installation complete. So native installation exists, but it's not in your path. Run something, not quite sure. It did say it was installed. Set up Claude. You'll be prompted to log in with your Claude account. Ah, you know what? So my Claude account is over here, and I actually did not set it up yet. Well, I'm actually currently on the free plan, so I'm not on the paid plan of Claude Code, so I don't know if that, or Claude, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it. But let's upgrade. So currently looking at the free plan, what do we have right now? So we have the 3 different models. We have some more models, extended thinking. So the 3 different models, if you don't know what they are, so the Opus is the mastermind, so it's like the best model that currently, as of March 30th, 26, 4.6 is their upgraded model. So Opus is just their high-end version. It's really good for like deep research, complex like coding, financial management, things like that. So coding, stuff that we're going to need to use on Claude Code, which is why we need to upgrade for that. Now, it is also the slowest one, and it's the most expensive to run. So when you are running Claude, if you don't need Opus, maybe switch it to Sonnet or something else, because it does use specific tokens. All right, and it also does feel the most human, for I've seen. Okay, so Sonnet. So Sonnet, this is like their main high performance, pretty much good for everything, best day-to-day tasks, writing, data, regular coding, nothing too crazy. It's snappy, it's fast, kind of normal, but it's good at everything, but it's not quite as good as Opus for like the deep research. And then the last one is Haiku, which is the speed demon, or just like the fast one. So this is good for like chatbots, having a lot of data for like RAG pulling. So if you have a lot of data, you need to answer questions, it can look through it very quickly for you, but there's no depth to it. So ask it questions. So basically, yeah, ask it questions and it'll answer what it can answer, and it's fast, but it's not going to do a whole lot of research or really think for you. And then there's the older versions of the models. All right, so let's go ahead and upgrade. So I'm going to pause this while I put in my credit card and upgrade. We'll be right back. Okay, didn't do that yet. Let's go through the different plans that they have. So right now, Claude for free, so that's what we have right now. The Pro plan, currently it's $17 a month if we do annual. If we do monthly, then it's $20 a month. So everything in Claude Code, which is what we need this for. And it also has Claude Cowork, which is nice. Higher usage limits than the free version, of course. Deep research, memory that carries across conversations. So great for memory. Then we also do have the max plan, so that's $100. So we get 20 times more usage than Pro. It's 5 times the amount, but 20 times more usage, more tokens. That's good. Early access to advanced Claude features, cool. Higher output in all datasets, cool. Tasks. Priority access for high traffic times, and Claude in PowerPoint. Okay, so they do that US build monthly. Now they do also have, if we switch to annually, nothing changes. Okay, now they do have the team and enterprise. So the team plan 5 to 150 users. So it looks like you have to have a minimum of 5 there. Standard set, so $20 a month, plus more usage than Pro. Okay, 25 a month. Okay, so on an annual plan, it's 20 a month for 5 people. So I mean that's $100, but that's billed monthly. And then you can do a premium seat, which is the exact same amount, but you do get 5 times more usage than this. Big context window, Claude Cowork, SSO, Enterprise, connect with Microsoft Slack, no model training on your content by default. You can just turn that off. Now we do have Enterprise, which does have usage at API rates. Ooh, so that's pretty pay-as-you-go pricing for a lot. Huge context window, audit logs, good for enterprise, IP allowed listing, cool, so whitelisting, custom data, Google Docs catalog. All right, so we're not going to do all that. We're just going to do the individual. All right, so now I'm going to put in the credit card. Be right back. All right, so we are back. So we just paid, and it took us right to this page. So it said, welcome to Pro, and then it dropped us here. So this is where we're at. So Claude Code, see what people are building. Well, we're about to go through all that. Cool, so we can look at what other people are doing. Oh, takes us right to X. Nice. All right, technical rundown, try Claude Code. Okay, yeah, we got that. Technical rundown. There we go. Open a project. Okay, so it's telling us how to do this. Okay, hey, we did that. Bash in your terminal. That's it. Okay, cool. Try Claude Code. We did that. All right, so now let's go back here now that we're paid. And we are on a paid plan. Let's go back to Claude. So there we go. They're no longer the free plan option. So let's grab our setup code. Type Claude and press enter. Okay, run Claude on your terminal. Time to authenticate. Okay. All right, well, first hiccup. Nothing is ever easy. All right, I'm going to try to do some troubleshooting. All right, well, silly me. I didn't read enough. So here it says setup notice. Native installation exists, but it's not in your path. And then it actually tells me run this program right here, Echo. I didn't realize that I was supposed to do that. I didn't read the run part. So what I did is I just asked Claude. I just came in here. I was running Sonnet. What I did is I threw in the screenshot and say, hey, I'm trying to run Claude Code. It won't help. But then it's like, hey, it's telling you exactly what to do. Okay. All right. Yep. I am just human. Okay. So now let's run it. And then run Claude again. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's walk through this together. Okay. So set up Claude, start using Claude. Okay, so that's it for this one. Ask questions. Okay, yep, we're good here. All right. Some special directions. All right, Claude Code setup. Done and complete. All right, now we have Claude Code ready to go, and there it is. Let's get started. And we have the paid version of Claude right next to it. All right. See you in the next video.